like it.
Guys,
I didn't like it.
It's have like a
But
bit.
I'm used to eating pork and beef. You
Yeah.
know? It's just what you got a taste for. I didn't.
Pigs. Okay, I want to go. Hey guys. Yeah. Oh yeah, về làm thịt yeah. Look. Oh man, look at all of those. Yeah. Look at these. See? Yeah, everywhere. Look at that. Don't eat my feet. Look at this. Oh my god. Pigs over there. Hey. You hungry? Want to eat? Want to eat? Huh? Hello, Hale. Oh man, look at this Hale. All the pigs. Damn. Chú, con này bự cho bá luôn. Nhưng mà nó không bá, cái này nó để nó đẻ, nó không có bán. Mấy con kia nó bán kìa, con này nữa. Mẹ bên kia nữa kìa. Nó với thằng nó với anh trai nó có 6.000 acre. Nó với anh đây. Yeah. 6, chú nghĩ đi 6.000.
That's the second time I heard a story like that.
Yeah.
You know Mike Herman?
Who?
Mike Herman.
Yeah, I know.
And she said, "Here, boys, I'm getting old, right? The time to kind of divide up stuff."
Yeah.
So she said, "Your sister, even though she don't want the farm in Wahoo, she's gonna get the farm in the house, right?
Yeah.
But the 40 acres of land that in Sweetbird,
Okay.
the three boys gonna divide it up."
Yeah.
And I said, "Okay, when do you want?" She said, "Well, you guys get a surveyor, you guys do the paperwork, and I sign it over."
Yeah.
But right currently, there are farmers that renting it.
Well. You can do it.
Yep.
Well, no. She said for right now, until the contract is on there, that's what I was telling her.
Pigs.
A month later, I received a well from the lawyer. And in the well, it said, "To my daughter, I leave everything. In my free time, I will leave them nothing." I said, "Okay, you know what? That's how mild, but she had dementia. She was sick,
Yeah.
right?"
Yeah.
So I said, "My sister."
The other one's electrician.
Okay,
At
I'm
the
Nick.
university. They both were in the guard. They both just put the 6 years in and got out.
Yeah, I put 4.5 and I call it. That's good enough for me. Oh, look at all these pigs.
Chứ ông bảo là về hưu rồi. Bảo ông muốn làm mình không cho ông làm.
This is pork chop.
Pork chop right here. You want pork chop?
Well, my wife raised him on the bottle.
Oh,
He was at pork, and
damn. Look at all these.
but maybe you want one of these.
Yeah, definitely.
One of these days we will come out and we will.
I
Good.
call that one bacon. He be good on the roaster.
That one not for sale.
Why?
Jackson not for
Oh,
sale.
you can have any of these.
I say, hey, don't be playing games. Oh yeah,
That
they
one
look
right
good.
there. That one right there, perfect for.
Rotisserie.
Yeah. That one kind of fat.
So,
right there.
let's give you an. Okay. Oh, so here, let me introduce you to my. So get it, Quinn. Quinn, this is Jack.
Jack.
Quinn is like an uncle to me. He is my next door neighbor.
Okay.
Yep. And he hang out with Brian.
Okay.
Okay. This is like my brother from another mother. We came from the same orphanage,
Yeah.
right? So how we became. He became the Isley from Soweto. I became the Frone, and while we were adopted.
Yeah. Okay.
So, but we were from the same orphanage in Vietnam, and we got adopted in the pretty much the same location. While we were in Soweto by two different families.
What's his last name?